adding audio clip to the sequence. So I'm going to come down in my project browser and I'm going to create a new item and I'm going to create a sequence. I'll accept this and I've created a sequence now. Now I have this audio file. It's an MP3 file here and I'm going to bring it in over here into the timeline. I'm going to pick on my left mouse button. I'm going to drag it in and I'm going to place it right on A1, audio track 1. Make sure you're in audio track 1 and let go and it'll create that. Now what I like to do is come down here on the bottom side of A1 and get those double arrows and I'm going to pull this down and you can see I get a bigger audio 1 track here. So this helps me see what is going on in my audio 1 track.